ComfyUI versus MidJourney, which AI art tool wins? Choosing the right AI art tool can completely change how you create stunning visuals without the frustration of complex interfaces. Let's explore both options briefly. ComfyUI and MidJourney are two powerful AI art tools, each with its unique features. The core difference lies in ComfyUI's user-friendly interface and customization options, while MidJourney focuses on generating high-quality art with minimal input. ComfyUI is an intuitive AR art tool designed for ease of use. It allows users to create stunning visuals with simple commands and a clean interface. ComfyUI works by leveraging advanced algorithms to generate images based on user input, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced artists. One of its strengths is the extensive customization options, enabling users to tweak various parameters to achieve their desired results. However, it may have limitations in generating highly complex art compared to some competitors. Ideal users include graphic designers, hobbyists, and anyone looking to create art without a steep learning curve. MidJourney stands out as a robust AI art generator known for its ability to produce high-quality images with minimal user input. It operates primarily through a Discord bot, where users can submit prompts to generate art. MidJourney excels in creating intricate and detailed visuals, making it a favorite among artists looking for inspiration or unique designs. Its strengths lie in the quality of output and the community aspects, allowing users to share and collaborate on their creations. However, the reliance on Discord and the lack of a dedicated interface may pose challenges for some users. Ideal for professional artists and creatives who seek high-end results, MidJourney is perfect for those willing to invest time in mastering its capabilities. When comparing ComfyUI and MidJourney, consider the user experience and output quality. ComfyUI offers a straightforward process, making it ideal for quick projects or those new to AI art. Users can easily adjust settings to create personalized images. On the other hand, MidJourney provides exceptional quality, particularly for complex designs, but requires a bit more effort to get started. For instance, if you need a quick graphic for social media, ComfyUI might be the better choice. Conversely, if you're working on a detailed illustration for a portfolio, MidJourney would likely deliver superior results. Each tool has its trade-offs, so your choice depends on your specific needs. For those seeking a user-friendly experience and quick results, ComfyUI is highly recommended. If high-quality art and intricate designs are your priority, MidJourney is the way to go. Both tools have unique strengths, so choose based on your artistic needs and preferences. Happy creating!